Hello, this is Mark, Aquarian Christianity. It is the 13th of July, 2020, and getting close to the evening. This is Aquarian Christianity. This is Mark. I want to report that I went to the eye doctor and got new glasses. And I was given this little, I think my vision changed more than the eye doctor admitted. I had said that God healed my eyes partially. And he did, because I can see the distinctions in the moon. I can see the dark places in the moon before I couldn't. And I was given a little eye chart like 2020, 2015, like these eye charts that you hold in your hand, and they see how much you can read. And I could read the second to the last line in the eye chart. So, I mean, the last line I couldn't read, but I know my up-close vision got better. Because I can read one of my Bibles that has small type, I'd say maybe about pica 5, pica 6, something like that type. And I can read it without a problem. But yeah, I mean, I don't think it's been that good before. She would not say that my eyes had improved that much. She said there hasn't been much change, is what she said. One of my eyes does vision, or one of my eyes does distance, the other eye does close-up. And with a close-up eye, I could see the second to last line. I think it was 2020. If they use that for close-up vision, 2020 close-up vision, I don't know how they do that because it's supposed to be 20 feet away. But, you know, I was amazed. And I'll do another video about how God healed my back.